Alright, so later today I'm going to be going and doing a live herping trip with Bo because he doesn't have to go until later, like around 9 I think. So if you guys missed that, I'll put a note up here in the corner. You guys can go and check that out at any point in time. It'll be up there the whole duration of the video. We're gonna check this little spot out, see what's going on. Really? They just moved that. Wow, this is getting overgrown like crazy. Okay, let's see. Alright, well, this is a good sign. To start with, right there, it looks like a black racer. A long one, it goes all the way down to there. Good Lord. I figure with as much roughness there is around this area, these snakes will be using it to shed, but dang. So, see if we can find that guy down here, and if we can't, I'll go up there and check it and see how fresh it is. Alright, well, we have got a second snake skin right there. And that's not the same one that I had found the last time I was out here, so that's a good sign. Multiple snakeskin sheds. That's always good. And you remember that one over here was where I found the other one. So, tell you what guys, looking up into this stuff, like right here, it takes some detective work to be able to see a snake just kind of laying up in there. And I'm not seeing anything, but places like these, if you guys are out herping, and you find places like these, don't skim over them. Take your time. We got our first snake. We have our first snake. I have no idea what it is. Looks like a black rat snake. Sitting up there in that tree. I don't know how I'm going to be able to get him. He's going to take off regardless. And I'm hearing some other movement around over here in this area. So I really want to get that snake though. But I really want to see what the heck is making noise over here. It sounds big. Looks like morning time was a good time to come out here. Oh, I'm gonna get him. I hope so. Alright, let's see what we can find. If there's anything over here. I hear it. I hear it. Oh, I think it's a snake. I think that's a snake or a fence lizard. It's a fence lizard. Oh, it's two of them. Two of them right there. Alright, so I'm going to be careful coming up to this spot. I can't remember exactly where he's at, but I at least want to get this guy on film. Where you at, buddy? Because if he sees me, he's going to bolt. Let's see if I can spot him from over here. It's really tricky trying to get these snakes. I'm going to set you guys up. Let you guys record. Let's see if I can find this guy. It looks to be like it's a black racer, which doesn't help my chances in catching him. Might be a black rat. It's a really black rat. I'm just gonna reach down there and grab him. Also, don't throw your snake stick down on the ground when you're trying to find a snake because they'll scare them. Fun fact. Oh wow. Wow. Now, this guy is a perfect example. We found the shed before. You guys look at his eyes. Look how opaque they are, that bluish kind of color that's right there. This guy is in the middle of shedding, so he's probably about ready to start shedding. And you see how he's moving around like that. It's because when their eyes are like that, they literally can't hardly see anything. Their vision is so impaired. And normally when they're in shed like this, they are way more aggressive. Or defensive, I should say, not aggressive. This is a beautiful, beautiful black rat. Cannot wait until he sheds. See, he's getting a little bit more agitated, and so he's probably going to be bitey here soon, which I don't want to actually get bit, so I'm going to kind of actually bring him up here on this table to show you guys a little bit better. Those eyes, you guys see that? Yeah, he's getting ready to shed very, very, very soon. And so really when he's looking at me, all he's seeing is like kind of a blurred kind of thing. So he really doesn't know what's going on, which is why it's really interesting that he's not being more defensive and more bitey, because, you know, normally when snakes are in this stage of shed, they normally get really defensive and kind of flighty because their skin is so irritated. But see what'll happen. Oh, there you go. Get a good close up. Oh, don't get my camera. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Calm down, buddy. Oh. It's okay. I know. Now you're starting to pick up on the fact that something's not quite right. So, you guys look. He is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a good, healthy one. So he's probably in the middle of trying to fix to where he was going to get ready to shed. That's why he was out there. So this isn't the big boy of that shed that we found earlier. So that's very interesting. But still, this thing is absolutely amazing. Beautiful, beautiful snake. All right, well, we've stressed him out enough. I'm going to put him back right where I found him. I can get back to doing his shedding thing. I'll bring you guys along for the release. Oh, alright. No wonder he wasn't moving around whenever I got to him, because he couldn't freaking see me. There you go. He's just going to coast on down there. Sweet. In-shed black rat. Awesome. Alright, so I went down and got that snake shed, the big one that I showed you. And guys, I'm so freaking excited. If the wind doesn't blow it off first, which it probably will. Here, I'll show you guys. This is a full head to tip of the tail, perfect shed of a black rat snake. Now, the way you can tell it's a black rat snake is you can kind of make out some of the patterns here. But also, I mean, look, the head is even perfect. The scales on top of the head right here are a good indicator. You can see the eye caps. You can see the mouth right there. Like that. I've never seen a snake shed like that. Like, that is absolutely 100%. No tears. Absolutely perfect. That head is just ridiculous. And it goes all the way down. This guy is, I don't know, let's see. Let's do a comparison. I'm 5'8". So, I'm 5'8". Yeah. This snake's about 5'8". So, this is a huge, healthy black rat snake, to say the least. But to find one in a complete shed. I also know it's a non-venomous snake because, if you guys notice, here's the cloaca. And that was for you, Bo. And then you see that double scale pattern right there. It's not a single row, so I know it's it's a non-venomous snake. So, that's another way to tell. But still, a freaking snake that's is the size of me. A full complete shed. That's unreal. I want to find this guy now. Let's see if we can do it.